Hey, what's up everyone? Gene back with Dent Repair Now. Today we've got a Chevy Traverse with this nice little donk right there. This is a lease turn in, so the lease is coming to the end. They're getting ready to turn the vehicle in. A good general rule of thumb is that if there's multiple damage on a panel, they only allow you one spot. And those spots, dents and scratches, they only allow you maybe the size of a credit card. So this is obviously bigger than a credit card. We're gonna go ahead and get this fixed up for a lease turn in. So come on over and let's see the damage. All right, so right on the tailgate, obviously, down through the body line here, and actually into the edge of the panel. So we're gonna have a little bit of distortion probably left right at the end, but not nearly this, and nothing that they're gonna get fined for or a fee for the lease turn in. The way this is built, see. So you can see we've got a handle here with an automatic release button in this. Because of this and the damage being all the way back down here, we are going to try and do the repair without taking anything apart. We're going to try to do it all from the outside using glue pulling. The wrong button. So we've got the glue gun heated up and ready to go. We're gonna get this cleaned up and prepped up, start doing it. I'm gonna set the camera up back a little ways and let you take a sneak peek at the action. I'll try to give you some commentary on exactly what I'm doing as we're moving through. Let's get it started. All right, so we're gonna dive into this repair here. Hopefully this isn't moving around too crazy for you. So I've got a jammer in here to hold this up. I'm gonna go ahead and warm the panel a little bit, get rid of the humidity. We're gonna come in with a little crease lifter, the crease killer. We're gonna start working this dent up just a little bit. Should get a pretty good move on this first one. So you end up working a little bit blind with these, but you just tons of power, tons of control. Yeah, that's moving up super nice. Stick that light on here. All right, so the first pull actually got most of that body line back. All right, just a couple light little pulls here. Should move these up pretty nice. So the reason I've decided to go, to do glue pulling here instead of opening the panel up and using what we would call traditional or conventional paintless methods is there's a lot less risk involved. It's all factory paint. On factory paint, this glue is as safe as anything we can do. Taking interior parts apart, you can end up with broken clips that need to be replaced. That may not even get you into place. So that's that. All right, so here's where we're at after a couple of rounds of pulling. A little bit of a crease left here. That's coming up, and a little bit of a low here. So I'm gonna make a couple more pulls and then we're gonna do a bunch of tapping down. All right, so that's this after that last round of pulls with the crease tabs. You can see we're a little high. Time to do a bunch of tapping down. So the reason I'm pulling so hard there is I'm trying to get the impact point at the very bottom of the low to come up, and it just wasn't moving with gentle moves. So a little snap, and I'm perfectly comfortable using a knockdown to knock that down. So that's what we're doing there. That made a huge difference. Let me show you how that pulled some high spots up. So right there is a good high spot. Right there is a good high spot. Now I can go in and try to bring those back to level with the knockdown. All right, now we're going to come back with a little low up around the body line. I'm going to attack that. Looks like that brought the body line right back up. We're getting pretty close on this repair. So while those two pulls are up, I'm going to come in with this tool, little VIP knockdown. I think he calls it the anvil head. And I'm going to try to move this edge down a little bit. All right, so we're looking pretty good this way. I need to move my light down here and work with a reflection going left to right instead of up and down, so I can sort of see these creases a little better. Actually, what I may do is go like this and look up at them while you're looking down at them, kind of deal. So what I'm going to do is pull all the little horizontal creases I can see up before I knock down. These tabs really allow us to get in and dial in some pretty tiny stuff. Some of my favorite tabs in the last couple of years, for sure. All right, I'm gonna bring you over and show you. I think we are way better than Lease quality ready. So come on over and check it out. All right, so here's that Chevy Traverse. Up here. So we were all dented in here. We had a pretty good little scuff there. I buffed it out. It's two tiny little chips. But our body line is back all through here. Repair really came out great. We did it all 100% with glue pulling, so we didn't have to take anything apart. There was also a secondary little dent over here that I toned down as well. So all ready for the Lease inspection turn. All right, if we can help you out with a dent or a ding or even a little scuff for your Lease turn-in, just give us a call or text 724-554-1756 or visit us on the web at dentrepairnow.com. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.